Welcome. If you've ever downloaded a file in Google Chrome and lost track of it, enabling active download notifications can make your life much easier. With this feature turned on, you'll get real-time alerts so you always know when a download starts, progresses, or finishes. Let's walk through how to enable it step by step. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome so the settings match what you see on your screen. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This will open the main menu where you can access all of Chrome's settings and features. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how Chrome behaves, including privacy, security, and notifications. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Notifications. This section controls what alerts Chrome is allowed to send to your device. Next, tap on Notification Categories. Here you'll see a list of different types of notifications that Chrome can send, such as downloads, browsing alerts, and more. Now look for the option called Active Downloads. Once you find it, simply toggle it on.